1963 Plymouth Belvedere, 4-door. Pretty fully loaded car. It was a 318 4-barrel car. There's the AC and the exhaust manifolds. The engine's out for whatever reasons. I'm just helping my dad's friend sell it. There is no rust in this car. The front of the car was banged up in the right front fender, but they did some body work to it. Most all the chrome is on it. The only two pieces I think are missing is the right front fender. All the glass is good in the car. It is a black factory black car with black and white interior. The interior is not too bad. It does need a headliner. Back seat's all covered. All the parts are for the car. It is a factory AC car, as I was saying. It does have all the AC stuff for it. And it is black and white inside of it. There's the engine bay. Transmission's still in it. I think you even have the hubcaps. The hood's on the roof. And the engine's sitting right here. And as I said, it is a factory 4-barrel. I don't know what the deal is with it. I know it does still turn over. But it does need to be probably rebuilt. Give me a call, 239-2588, area code 505 for more information. Thanks.